Oh man, if fucking course he stops.
You having fun, Doodle?
Oh, I got that on tape.
That was cute.
I got that on my camera.
Get that on YouTube.
Yeah.
Love you.
Or put it on Facebook.
Yeah.
Say a kid. Dog was trying to get away and I caught him. Oh!
Must have squeezed him too tight.